Hello everyone. Welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to purchasing on Udemy with Oxxo. Just follow these easy steps. As you know, Oxxo is one of the payment methods available to you on udemy.com. You will see the option to use it as your payment method on the checkout page. After selecting Oxxo as your payment method, you will need to enter your CURP number before you can proceed to a secure server that will generate your voucher and barcode. You can save and print the voucher via your mobile device, and the voucher will also be accessible via your purchase history page. Once payment has been completed for the voucher, or the voucher has expired, it will no longer be available in your purchase history. Present the voucher and barcode at an Oxxo store to make the payment for your purchase. Please note that you will have 3 days to complete the payment before the voucher expires. After you complete your payment at the store, you will be provided a printed receipt so that you can verify that your payment has been made correctly if needed. Once Udemy receives confirmation that the payment has been completed, your courses should be available in your account within 24 hours. And you are done.